Chapter 1: The Magical Forest. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled beside a tranquil river, lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily had always been fascinated by stories of magic and adventure. One sunny morning, as she strolled through the colorful meadow, she stumbled upon a mysterious path that led deep into the forest. With a sense of excitement, she decided to explore. The path was covered with an array of fallen leaves, their crunching sound beneath her feet adding to the enchantment of the moment. Tall trees loomed overhead, their branches creating a natural canopy that filtered the golden sunlight. Shafts of light broke through the leaves, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. As Lily ventured further into the woods, the trees grew taller, and the forest floor was carpeted with leaves of various shades of green. She marveled at the vibrant colors of the flowers and listened to the melodic songs of the birds perched on the branches above. It felt like she had stepped into a fairy tale. Birds with feathers of every hue flitted from tree to tree, their cheerful chirping filling the air. Lily was captivated by the symphony of nature. She could hear the gentle rustling of leaves as a gentle breeze passed through the forest, carrying with it the sweet scent of wildflowers. As she continued her journey, she encountered a talking squirrel named Sammy, who greeted her with a friendly chirp. Sammy had a bushy tail and bright eyes that sparkled with intelligence. He offered to be her guide through the forest, revealing hidden treasures and teaching her about the plants and animals they encountered along the way. Lily's heart swelled with joy as she learned about the ecosystem, where plants, animals, and insects coexisted harmoniously. Sammy pointed out a family of deer grazing in a sunlit glade and explained how they were herbivores, creatures that ate only plants. He introduced her to a term she hadn't heard before: herbivore. They ventured deeper into the forest, and Sammy showed her a babbling brook, where they watched colorful butterflies fluttering above the water. He told her about the life cycle of butterflies, mentioning words like metamorphosis and caterpillar. Lily was fascinated by how a lowly caterpillar could transform into a beautiful butterfly. Each step into the forest was an opportunity to expand her vocabulary and her understanding of the natural world. Lily felt an unbreakable bond forming between her and Sammy, a bond built on their shared love for the enchanting forest and its many wonders. Together, they would uncover even more secrets hidden within the depths of the magical forest.
Chapter 2: The Enchanted Pond. As Lily and Sammy journeyed deeper into the forest, they arrived at a clearing where a glistening pond reflected the clear blue sky. Lily could hardly believe her eyes when she saw colorful fish swimming gracefully beneath the water's surface. Sammy explained that the pond was enchanted, filled with magical creatures that only appeared to those with a pure heart. The pond's surface was like a mirror, mirroring the towering trees and the fluffy white clouds above. Its waters were so clear that Lily could see the smooth stones lining the bottom. A gentle breeze rustled the nearby reeds, creating a soothing melody that seemed to lull the entire forest into a peaceful trance. Lily was entranced by the shimmering pond, and she knelt by the water's edge to watch the fish darting to and fro. Their scales gleamed in various shades of silver, gold, and even iridescent blue. Some of them had long, flowing fins that fluttered like delicate silk in the water. It was like a symphony of colors and movements, orchestrated by nature itself. Sammy told Lily about the special properties of the pond. He explained that the fish were called koi, and that they were believed to bring good luck and prosperity to those who admired them. Lily marveled at the new word, koi, and the idea that such creatures could bring positive energy into her life. As they continued to observe the pond, they noticed dragonflies hovering above the water, their wings catching the sunlight like tiny rainbows. The dragonflies moved with such grace, dipping and diving in pursuit of smaller insects. Sammy told Lily about the important role dragonflies played in keeping the pond ecosystem in balance by controlling the insect population. Lily couldn't resist dipping her fingers into the cool water, and she was delighted when the fish tickled her fingertips. Sammy chuckled and told her about the fish's feeding habits and how they relied on insects and plants for sustenance. With each passing moment at the enchanted pond, Lily's heart swelled with a sense of wonder and awe. The beauty of nature unfolded before her eyes, and she felt a deep connection to the delicate balance of life within the forest. She realized that there was so much more to discover and learn in this magical world, and she couldn't wait to uncover the next enchanting secret hidden within the forest's embrace.
Chapter 3: The Wise Owl's Wisdom. Continuing their journey through the forest, Lily and Sammy ventured deeper into the ancient woods, their anticipation growing with each step. The towering trees seemed to whisper secrets of the past, and the scent of moss and earth filled the air, creating an atmosphere of reverence. As they explored, the forest began to transform. The canopy grew denser, and the sunlight filtering through the leaves cast intricate patterns on the forest floor. The world around them was a symphony of green, with ferns, mosses, and lichens clinging to the tree trunks and rocks. It was in this enchanting setting that they came upon a massive, gnarled oak tree, its branches stretching out like the arms of an old friend. Perched atop one of the higher branches was a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver had a majestic presence, and his feathers bore the markings of countless wisdom-filled nights. Oliver welcomed Lily and Sammy to his tree with a solemn nod, his golden eyes gleaming with intelligence. He introduced himself with a deep hoot and invited them to sit below him on a bed of soft moss. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm orange glow through the trees, Oliver began to share his wisdom. He spoke of the constellations that adorned the night sky, recounting stories of heroes and myths associated with the stars. He introduced Lily to words like constellations, navigation, nocturnal, and astronomy, painting a vivid picture of the cosmos above. Under the canopy of stars, Oliver taught Lily about the North Star, a beacon of light that had guided travelers for centuries. He explained that sailors and explorers had relied on this star to find their way home, and how it symbolized hope and direction in a vast, unknown world. As the night deepened, Oliver delved into the intricate relationships between animals and plants in the forest. He spoke about the nocturnal creatures that came to life under the cover of darkness, like owls, foxes, and raccoons. Lily learned about the term, nocturnal, and marveled at how different animals had adapted to thrive during the night. Oliver also touched on the delicate balance of nature, explaining how each creature in the forest played a vital role in maintaining that equilibrium. Lily listened attentively, absorbing his wisdom and gaining a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living beings. As the night wore on, Lily and Sammy bid farewell to Oliver, grateful for the knowledge he had shared and the breathtaking beauty of the night sky. They left the wise owl's tree with their hearts and minds enriched, ready to carry the lessons they had learned into their future adventures within the magical forest.
Chapter 4: A Grateful Return. With their hearts full of newfound wisdom and their minds enriched by the magical experiences of the forest, Lily and Sammy began their journey back to their village. The moon, a radiant pearl in the velvet sky, cast a gentle glow on their path. As they retraced their steps through the forest, memories of their adventure filled their minds. They reminisced about the vibrant colors of the meadow, the rustling leaves underfoot, the melodies of the forest's inhabitants, and the tranquil beauty of the enchanted pond. Along the way, Sammy pointed out various plants and animals, reinforcing the vocabulary they had learned during their adventure. Lily eagerly absorbed this knowledge, grateful for the opportunity to expand her understanding of the natural world. They passed by the babbling brook, where Lily paused to listen to its soothing sounds once more. She marveled at how the water flowed ceaselessly, just like the wisdom she had gained from Sammy and Oliver. It was a reminder of the continuous cycle of learning and growth. When they emerged from the forest and returned to the village, Lily couldn't wait to share her incredible journey and the newfound vocabulary with her family and friends. She gathered them around the fireplace, and by the warm, flickering light, she spun a tale of the magical forest, the talking squirrel Sammy, and the wise owl Oliver. Lily's family and friends listened in rapt attention as she described the vibrant ecosystem, the enchanting pond, and the mysteries of the night sky. She explained the importance of preserving such natural wonders and the interconnectedness of all living things. The words ecosystem, constellations, nocturnal, and biodiversity found their way into her storytelling, and she eagerly shared her new knowledge. As Lily concluded her tale, her family and friends applauded her adventurous spirit and the lessons she had learned. They were inspired to explore the forest themselves and to appreciate the beauty of the natural world. And so, the curious girl and her wise squirrel friend continued to explore the magical forest, their hearts filled with wonder, their minds enriched by the words and experiences they had gathered along the way. They knew that the lessons of the forest would stay with them forever, guiding them in their future adventures and deepening their appreciation for the wonders of the world around them.